Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and let me show you a little known folder called Windows Tools that exists in Windows. And this is actually something that if you go through the control panel, go to the settings, you'll never really find it. It's there and it's available if you know where to look. So I will share the link or the sequence that you have to go to in the File Explorer in the folders to access this thing. If you go to your File Explorer, and I have it here copied, so I'll paste Control Panel / System and Security / Windows Tools, press Enter, and you go into this menu with all of these tools: the character map, the command prompts, component services, computer management, control panel. You've got defragment, you've got dev home, you've got disk cleanup, event viewer, Hyper-V manager. You've got the Hyper-V quick create, iSCSI, local security policy, OBC, and of course that depends on the version of Windows that you have. So all of these things are in here, including the registry editor, all of the basically the tools that a lot of these tools we use, and we often use one specific tool. Steps recorder, services, run, so much in here. It's system config, system information, a lot of legacy stuff, a lot of and it looks like Windows XP or Windows 98, but kind of interesting to see that it's all here in there, including a Windows memory diagnostics tool and a PowerShell, of course. And so this is interesting that if you go to File Explorer, but if you try to find it, it's kind of a little difficult. It doesn't show up easily. So yeah, there is a Windows tool folder kind of hidden within Windows. So this also is available on Windows 10. I'll share this sequence of folders to go through on the File Explorer at the top in the address bar in the description, so that you can copy and paste it to your own File Explorer and get access to these tools directly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.